Ajiming Sangamayim Damayanti Devi, Headmistress of Malo Mega High School, State Manipur. I have na Delhi Sida National Conference on Successful School Leadership Program masi yaw lakjabani. I have na mafam masida lakpada makhan makha kaya state kaya gi head sing sigi pautaak sing si tabada makoy gi comment sing si tabada ina yam nungaiba chaukhatpa afaba India ama oirakpagi thuna laani haibagi mafamduda aina wakhalduda khali aduga aigi school dasu sigi program mayam si aina mathang ahenba program mayam tawduna angang sing asi amu hena develop tawna ba honagani I have na school to the 2024 gi August I have Malo Mega High School da join tawbani headmaster oina aduga matamduda students si nearly 400 lairami adugu 2025 da 517 lay adugu I have na school to the vocational da natana ato culture gi sports gi lamda su aina yamna hena angang sing sita privilege pi aduna school ado haujikti yamna angang sing do yam interesting laiba school da karak pada yam harau ban nungai ba pokte aduna next section da di 700 above lakani na khali ehang na sigumba program si lakpasna yam toina tawbanina national conference on successful school leadership che tawbasina develop India tawbada yana na mapung pharani na khali